Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal. In this video, I'm going to show you how to show desktop with trackpad on Mac. So basically, the show desktop gesture instantly move all the open windows aside so you can access file and folder on your desktop. It's one of the quickest way to reach your desktop without manually minimizing all the apps you have opened. To show the desktop, click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen and then choose System Settings. Now here scroll down all the way in the left side pane and then go to pad. After that click on more gestures and here make sure you have enabled the toggle right to show desktop. Once the feature enabled, place your thumb and the three fingers on the trackpad and spread them apart. As you can see here, as soon as I do it, the desktop is revealed. You can also see the instruction here, spread with thumb and three fingers to show the desktop. So that's it. This is how you can show desktop with trackpad on Mac. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.